You're not breaking any. Oh, wait. I'm just leaving and rejoin again because somebody's here now. He is Lee or maybe C. So I'm here. Why? You can already listen my voice. So. I cannot break that fan anything. I'm too down to leave this game. But I cannot even do like something. That music was so bad. I don't like that. Oh, holy cow. Wee. Where's the car? I remember that book. And cross one maybe the glad. You like to block the fans, so I'm breaking for you. And this Vikram, maybe the glob. Yay. I remember now why the tomorrow yesterday's having noise of Vikram, because this holding one is go to this fan, so I have confused. Now I remember. After last day, I also listen put that on be the right way. That gold. These are amazing. Okay. Yay! And this one maybe glob. Yeah. Just remove the plate. Okay, that's cool. And it broke my hand. My Roblox is die. And now he picks. And this is long too. Guys, so late. That poor Lego. I broke this thing all over. Is coming. Cow. Only broken? And this is going news. Okay, time 9. Do you play Rick versus Poor? Rich versus Poor? Like, it's amazing. Oh, they're already broken. And this one, maybe the claw. Okay, that poor Lego. This is incredible sake. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Oh, no. Only the wire. And this is on ground, and this is raining so fast. And this fan, we cannot go that up. Listen. This goes slowly. Hey, there's a book. Let's try more. Hey. Maybe the light. Hey, Dad goes come to me. And this is what I taught. And this is like tomorrow. No, yesterday. And where this air is coming from? And two fans and wait, and there goes Soul Sweden. Yeah. Yeah. Boo. Chuki bookie boo. Mommy, yeah. Okay, I on that. And just wait for this one. And just also wait for this one. Let's go. Okay guys, this is my car. I don't want this fall. Oh, this fan, maybe the glove. Yay. No. Ah. And one day it's going to be big. That fan may be back. And this one. It's already rotating now. Let's turn on this one first. I saved this with the car. Okay guys, so this is also start rotating. And look, these two are seeking, yeah? And one day it's going to be big. One day it's going to be bad. That me be back. And this is what I mean. The music. And okay guys, bye.